Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to Grade 8 Hindi online class. Today we can see lesson 1 sentence making and question answers. Did you write meanings? Did you study all? I hope you all have studied and you have completed in the booklet also. Listen, children, you all have to submit the booklet every Saturday. So you have to write everybody. Now listen, some of them submitted the booklet, some of them did not. Homework booklet also, some of them submitted. So I think Samyukta Akshar, there I have found many mistakes. Samyukta Akshar you did not understand, I think, except one or two, everybody has committed mistakes. So once more I am telling this, look here, the Samyukta Akshar. Listen here, you know this Samyukta Akshar means combined consonants, கூட்டெழுத்துக்கள். It is not in Tamil, English also it is not there. Listen, Iksha, Yitra, Ijna, Shradya. I already said you, only you have to study Swarakshar and Vyanjanakshar. If you know that, you can write other all the letters. This also from Vyanjanakshar we are writing. You have to by heart these 5 letters because we cannot find which are the letter here. So for the example, I have given here Iksha is the Riksha. While looking this letter, இந்த எழுத்தை பார்க்கும்போது உங்களுக்கு இதில் இந்த எழுத்து இருக்கிறது தெரியாது. So you have to study this letter, Iksha. Suppose sometime I will ask Iksha, you make it this split, Varna Vichhed. Split the letter, you have to split like this, Ik plus Sha. Suppose if I give this Itra, you have to do like this, It plus Ra. If I give this, you have to write. I will ask in the test paper, in the exam. Test I will ask this one. Ij plus na, Ijna you have to write. Suppose if I ask this Ijna, you have to write this Ijna. Then Isra like that. Is plus Ra, Isra. Id plus Ya, Idya. You have to study these all the letters. This is must. You have to study these all the letters. You have to by heart, no other way. Next, these letters you can find from here. So already I taught you this one. The half letters, no? Vyanjanakshar and its half letter. Look here. Ka, ka, ga, ga, nga, ik, ig, ing. This one equal. When we are making it off, it will be like this. So when the letter is, we are joining with the other letter, it will become like this. Ga. Wherever the style, எங்கெல்லாம் நேர் லைன் இருக்கிறதோ அந்த நேர் லைனை எடுத்தேன்னா நமக்கு ஆஃப் லைன் கிடைக்கும். இல்லாததுக்கு அதே மாதிரி வரும். இட்டு 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 இட்டுன்னு like this. So here wherever style line, எங்கெல்லாம் நேர்கோடு இருக்கிறதோ அதை மட்டும் நம்ம எடுத்தோன்னா நமக்கு ஆஃப் லெட்டர் கிடைக்கும். Now I think you would understand this. And today I asked is plus pa. So is while making this, is it will come is pa, is pa. Almost everybody has committed mistake there. Is with this is, if we add this pa, it will be is pa. Okay, now look here, the other letters. Is plus Ra is Ra. Okay, is ik plus ka, ikka. While looking this letter, we come to know 2 letters are this ik, this ka. The first ik will be becoming this ka, ik off. So ikka. When it is ichcha, ichcha. Ipya, pya. Ivya. The straight line, we are removing the straight line and writing like this. So suppose if I ask like this, you have to write like this. Iv plus ya. If I ask vya, you have to write like this, vya. Okay. Next, look here. Ij plus va, jva. Ij plus va, jva. The straight line removed, jva. If I ask you, you have to write like this, jva. Ik plus ta, ikta. In plus ya, inya. Straight line I have removed. Then it plus ya, itya. Straight line removed. It plus ta. Look these letters. Here, now straight line. So, that galant will come. The dot, the symbol will come. The same letter. Otherwise, down you have to write. Next, idva. This also. This will be like this. Most of them will write like do symbol. This not do. Id. Down that we have to write this va. Idva. Otherwise, you can write like this. Idda. Look this da. Down that this. Id. Or id plus da. Idda. Inna. Look. Inna. If I ask this, you have to write this inna. 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 Next, ir plus ma. Irma. This only little different. These 2 letters. Here almost all committed mistake here. Listen. Ir plus ma, irma. We have to take this Ra like this. Listen, this Ra. Just look here. You have to take this Ra. The Ra is there. Ra is coming off. Will be like this, no? So the Ra we will write like this. The top we are taking here. The down we are taking down. If the Ra is coming first, the next letter, above the next letter it will come. You have to pronounce Irm. Suppose this symbol is on Cha, Irch. Suppose this symbol is in Pa, Irp. This you have to read first, next letter. Okay? Irp. Suppose it is above the Ka, this symbol is Irk. Suppose if it is above the Ga, Irg. So did you understand this? Irm, if it is coming, Ir plus Ma, Irm. Suppose Ir plus Cha, Irch. Ip plus Ir plus Pa, Irp, like that will come. Next, see this Ra. This is little different. Or this also you have to by heart this, like this. Ir plus Ma, Irm. Irch. Arth. Arth. Ir plus Ta, Irth. Arth. Arth. Okay, Irma. Dharma. Karma, like that will come. Next, look here. Im plus Ra. Imra. Im plus Ra. Imra. It is coming second. See the down part we are putting the first letters down. Imra. While reading can Imra. Irma. So Irma. Imra. It is Irma. Irma. Imra. Imra. Understood now? So suppose it is down the Ka. Kra. If it is Cha down. Chra. Pa down. Pra. Dha down. Dra. Like that it will come. I think you are clear now. You study well this. I won't give these letters. Some other letters I will give in the test. Okay. So study well. Next I can continue this. Today Vakyam mein Prayog. Okay. Today we have to the poem you would have studied. A poem you study all. Like a song you can sing and practice it. Now listen here. वाक्यों में प्रयोग कीजिए. See, look here, this ik plus ya is there, ikya. वाक्यों में प्रयोग, pra, ip ra, प्रयोग, योग, प्रयोग कीजिए. Children, you don't neglect Hindi. If you read, you can read well. You can read fast, after you can pick up. At least you learn to read. Every day read something, okay? Listen here. Hamara. What's the meaning of Hamara? Our. Hamara, our. हमारा भारत सारे जहाँ से अच्छा है. हमारा भारत सारे जहाँ से अच्छा है. हमारा भारत, what is meaning? हमारा भारत, our country, India, our Bharat, India. सारे जहाँ से अच्छा है. जहाँ already said world. सारे means whole. World से अच्छा means good. Here also samyukta akshar ch plus cha, इच्छा. अच्छा. हमारा भारत सारे जगह से अच्छा है. Our India is best than all over country, all over world. Our country is the best country all over the world. Our country is the best country all over the world. So हमारा भारत सारे जहाँ से अच्छा है. हमारा भारत सारे जहाँ से अच्छा है. Next look here. Godhi. What's the meaning of Godhi? Lap. Godhi means lap. L-A-P, lap. Godhi, lap. हम भारत माता की गोद में पलते हैं. हम, what is the meaning of हम? We. भारत, what is the meaning of भारत? India. माता, you know, mother. माता की गोद, mother's lap. पलते हैं, what is the meaning of पलते हैं? Grow. We grow in the mother's lap. We grow in the mother's lap means the motherland. The other is telling the land is the our mother's lap. This land he is telling Bharat Mata. He is telling Bharat Mata. The motherland is the Bharat Mata. We are growing in the lap of motherland, in this motherland. Okay. We are growing. We grow in the lap of motherland or mother. Here हम भारत माता की गोद में पलते हैं. We grow in the lap of motherland or Bharat Mata. Did you understand? Now next one, Majgab means religion. Majgab, Maja, Maj, Haba, Hab, Majgab. How you have to read? Don't read like this. Ma, Ij, Ga, Ib. Should not read like this. Maja, Maj, Ga, Haba, Hab, Majhab. Means religions. Hamara, Ha, Mara. This long sound, so as it is you have to read. Hamara, Maja, Haba, Majhab, Virodha, Virod. विरोध नहीं सिखाता है हमारा मजहब विरोध नहीं सिखाता है. What's the meaning of this? Our religions are not teaching the enmity. Our all religions are teaching us to be together, love each other. This only it is teaching. So हमारा मजहब विरोध नहीं सिखाता. Our religions are not teaching us enmity. हमारा मजहब विरोध नहीं सिखाता है. Next, bair. Bair means enmity. Bair, what's the meaning? Enmity. आपस में बैर नहीं रखना चाहिए. आपस में बैर नहीं रखना चाहिए. डोंट कीप एनिमिटी ईच अदर. ओके, आपस में बैर नहीं रखना चाहिए. आपस में मीन्स ईच अदर. बैर एनिमिटी आपस में ईच अदर. बैर एनिमिटी नहीं रखना चाहिए. वी डोंट कीप एनिमिटी ईच अदर. ओके, आपस में बैर नहीं रखना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट, आपस में अगेन ईच अदर. दिस सेंटेंस ऑल्सो कैन राइट फॉर दिस. आपस में प्रेम से रहना चाहिए. वी हैव टू लिव, वी हैव टू लिव विथ लव. ओके, वी हैव टू लव ईच अदर. आपस में प्रेम से रहना चाहिए. वी हैव टू लव ईच अदर. वी वांट टू लव ईच अदर. आपस में प्रेम से रहना चाहिए. आई थिंक यू अंडरस्टूड दिस वन. Next I am going to the question answer. Listen here. प्रश्नों के उत्तर दीजिए. प्रा इप प्लस रा प्रा. प्रश्नों के उत्तर दीजिए. प्रश्नों के उत्तर दीजिए. Give answer the following questions. प्रश्न means question. उत्तर means answer. दीजिए means give answer for the question. Okay, answer the following questions. भारत की महिमा कैसी बताई गई. भारत की महिमा कैसी बताई गई. द आदर हाउ ही एक्सप्रेस द ग्रेटनेस ऑफ द कंट्री. भारत की महिमा இந்தியாவின் மகிமையை கவிஞர் எவ்வாறு சொல்லியிருக்கிறார். भारत की महिमा कैसी बताई गई. हमारा भारत सारे जहां से अच्छा है. व्हाट ही सेड. हमारा भारत, our India is good than all over India. Our country is good, best country all over India. हमारा भारत सारे जगह से अच्छा है. நம்முடைய நாடு இந்த உலகிலேயே எல்லாத்தையும் விட சிறந்த நாடு. हमारा भारत सारे जगह से अच्छा है. Now यह देश गुलाबों का वाटिका है. यह देश, what's mean यह देश? This country. यह this, यह another meaning is there. यह he she it this. इवन इवल இது இந்த நாடு. दिस देश गुलाबों का बगीचा है. गुलाब मीन्स व्हाट्स मीन गुलाब. रोज गार्डन. गुलाब मीन्स रोज का बगीचा मीन्स गार्डन. गुलाबों का रोज गार्डन. वाई दे आर टेलिंग दिस इज रोज गार्डन, अनदर गार्डन they didn't say. Because rose like, isn't it? If you need to get the rose plant is full of thorn. So the thorn means here many difficulties, many things is there. Even many caste, many religions, fightings, everything is there. Even we are living together. That's why given this one. Okay, we have also problems, but we are together. That's why it is showing that. Okay, एक देश गुलाबों का बगीचा है. இந்த நாடு ரோசாப்பூ தோட்டம் மாதிரி. ரோஜாப்பூ தோட்டம். So he is telling the greatness of our country like this. Okay, हमारा भारत सारे जहां से अच्छा है. यह देश गुलाबों का वाटिका है. गुलाबों का बगीचा है. बगीचा गार्डन, वाटिका गार्डन. अंडरस्टूड. नेक्स्ट, हमारे देश के पर्वत के बारे में लिखिए. वी कैन से अबाउट आवर पर्वत माउंटेन मेनी थिंग्स, बट गिवन हियर टू सेंटेंसेस. लिसन हियर. हमारे पर्वत हिमालय. लुक हियर. पर्वत इर प्लस बा, इर्ब पर्वत. Himalaya, Parvat also mountain, Parbat also mountain. Okay, in the book Parbat is there. Para par bata bat also can write Parbat. हमारे पर्वत हिमालय सबसे ऊंचा है. हमारे पर्वत हिमालय सबसे. The Himalaya mountain is higher than other mountain. It is very high. यह पर्वत आसमान की पड़ोसी है. यह पर्वत, दिस माउंटेन इज नेबर ऑफ द स्काई. आसमान, आसमान आसमान. पड़ोसी है. दिस माउंटेन इज नेबर ऑफ neighbor of the sky. Neighbor of the sky. It is looking like a neighbor of the sky. यह हमको पहरेदार है. It is the gatekeeper of us. It is the gatekeeper of us. हम प्लस को हमको us. यह हमको पहरेदार gatekeeper. पाहा रे पहरेदार दारादार पहरेदार. This is the gatekeeper of us. Okay, this Himalaya, the author is telling Himalaya mountain is gatekeeper of us. So we no need to afraid of anyone. Okay, next he is telling इस कविता में देश की भक्ति भावना कैसी प्रकट की गई है. इस कविता में देश की भक्ति भावना कैसी प्रकट की गई है. इस कविता में व्हाट्स मीन इस कविता में इन दिस पोयम. इस दिस कविता मीन्स पोयम में इन दिस पोयम देश की भक्ति भावना कैसी प्रकट की गई. देश की भक्ति भावना व्हाट्स मीन भक्ति भावना डिवोशन. एवरीबडी इज devotee of the country, isn't it? We have to be devotee because we have to love our country, then only we can live happily. Now listen, इस कविता में देश की भक्ति भावना कैसी प्रकट की गई. How he expressed the devotee of this country in this poem. हमारी मातृभूमि में, लिसन हियर दिस इत्र हाउ इट इज नो इर प्लस था इर्थ मातृभूमि आई इर नो दैट इत्र. हमारी मातृभूमि में कई धर्म हैं. दर इर्मा धर्म कई धर्म हैं. हमारी मातृभूमि में कई धर्म हैं. कौन सा व्हाट आर द रिलीजियंस आर देयर इन आवर कंट्री? mainly three, isn't it? What are that? We know only the three. Many religions are there. Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Jain, Sikh, like this many religions are there, isn't it? हमारी मातृभूमि में कई धर्म हैं. कई धर्म many religions are there. ये सब एकता का पाठ सिखाते हैं. What's the speciality is there? ये सब all the religions are teaching us be unity. They are teaching us unity, love each other, live together. This is teaching. No religions are teaching us. Any religions are teaching us be enmity or something. It is every is telling love each other, live together. This all it is teaching us. So कवि देश की भक्ति भावना कैसी प्रकट की है. How he is expressing the devotee of the nation. हमारी मातृभूमि में कई धर्म है. What's the meaning of this? In our country we have more religions. ये सब एकता का पाठ सिखाते हैं. These all the religions are teaching us live together or be united. Okay, I think you are clear. You have to write in the booklet. Better you have to write the class this lesson separate booklet. Letters booklet you keep it separate because that if you keep separate while reading it will helpful to you. So you have to write in the separate booklet lesson. Okay, meanings I have given, sentence making I have given, and this one question answer. You all have to write and study well. Okay, then I will give the homework. The Samyukta letter you have to write and submit. Please all try to write and submit this. We can meet in the next class. Thank you, children.